Welcome to day one of our 7-day AI Avatar series. Today, we're answering the fundamental question: what is an AI avatar? Would you believe this entire video was created without me standing in front of a camera? Hello everyone, I'm Gladys, founder of the Glad Coaching AI community. Over the next 7 days, I'll show you how AI avatars are transforming content creation. An AI avatar is a digital version of a person that presents your message. You write the script and AI creates a professional video in minutes. Think of it as having a virtual presenter available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, allowing you to create content consistently without hours of filming. The biggest misconception is that AI avatars are replacing people. They're not. They're helping you work smarter by automating the repetitive work. This allows you to focus on growing your business and serving your audience. Tomorrow, we explore why this is one of the most valuable tools today. To recap, AI avatars are digital versions of you that save time, maintain consistency, and let you scale your impact without the camera gear. If you found this valuable, follow for day 2, and to learn step by step, join the Glad Coaching AI community today. I'll see you tomorrow.